sila ng ebidensya, hindi nila binigay lahat. The assumption is, they sold it.
Retailing assumption.
Sir, who exactly tried to cover up?
The whole kabudo,
Including ang bayate.
possibly, I don't know.
Sir, according to General Aquino, sir, according to General, gusto niyang arbor rin yung mga police niya.
Yeah. In our culture, yung arbor, madalas ginagawa yan.
Sir, and for that, sir, anong liability niya?
Ibig bang
Bad for
sabihin
him.
ay sinusuportahan yung ginawa ng mga tao niya ng
That could be interpreted that way.
Sir, according to General Aquino, just now, he said, he clarified that he didn't found anything unusual in General Albayate's story.
Of course, yun ang hirap eh. Pagka pare-pareho tayo, di ba pa? Yung mga branch ko taga-UP, mahirapan ako magsabi. Sila niya, di ba? Mahirapan ako. Pero sa akin, in my case, I will say it. In their case, they won't.